Oh.
It's fucking cold out. I flicked it back.
Yeah. I'm just checking. Some fucking idiot parked this trailer right in the way. That's good.
I got needs.
Almost thinking fucking just undo it.
Yeah.
And pull this off and then put that in the vise and like unseize it because I can't
And we'll
slide in there to get it back on that. Oh, we got bungee action. Because I figure if we can steer it,
probably
it'll
like
be,
20% better.
you know, at least.
Or at least this.
Yeah, I've already lost the other one, I think, maybe. Yep. Wait, nope, it's still in there. Perfect. That's great.
Boogie bit.
Out of there. Crux matters. Oh, look at the stuff squeezing out of it. Oh, yeah, that's like some sort of rubber.
It's the same shit you get in a U-joint.
Oh, yeah, that's plastic.
Yeah, vinyl.
Ooh, that smells terrible.
Okay, that's true.
Nope.
I wonder if
So that's now, eh?
There you go. You're the winner. Right there, nobody says. So.
She came off, boys.
Yeah,
so, I mean, all we need to do, yeah, it's there's just like little plastic skidder plates in there. Yeah. And clean that son of a bitch off and fucking, careful hot. Careful your fingy hot.
There's stuff here. I don't want to lose them.
Oh, it's melted anyway. Take it out of there. We'll just stuff her full of grease and PB blaster and call her a cigarette.
Oh, that's all it was. Is like hot glue stuck in each side.
Yeah, hot poop glue.
Cleaner. Lube and stuff down in there.
Maybe we'll put a little dollop of the greases into it.
Put your finger in the hole.
Oh, she's a little. Ooh! Yeah, that's warm. Holy shit. That is warm big time. Put your finger on there. The other side, idiot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you pull it away pretty quick in there, fucking twinkle toes. I'm sensitive to heat. Yeah, when it's hot as absolutely.
Yeah, I get it now.
Funny that. Tampon boy over here, fucking lipping off. Oh, fuck, look at the slide in action, bud. Here, let's get some of that poop butter down in there. There we go. Try that buzz. Oh, right. So we kind of needed to go in more than that, though, too, right? Because that was the outness far. That was far outness, right? We need
to clean the rest of it off there.
Yeah. We need a little fucking inness.
Vinyl.
That really
I'm sure you could pour like
scorched the shit out of the back of my finger. Yeah, we could do like a Babbitt, eh? Mm-hmm. Put a little Babbitt in there. Like fucking,
I think that's all vinyl is. It's just new style Babbitt. You're pretty good at polishing a rod, eh?
Yeah, you in?
The boys must like you.
Right.
Fluffer extraordinaire.
What the f*** is the shaft, you son of a bitch?
We're in the right direction.
Fuck. Oh, fuck yeah.
It's easy now. Oh, yeah. Fully penetrated. Is there a hole down through there?
No. In the comments, it's like, that's not how you take that apart. You don't take that apart with primer. Oh, thanks, I'm Stimes. Good thing you were here to clear that up.
Right. Maybe clock it. You did it. Fitting. What up, fitting? Found steering bolts, it's better to remember to tighten them fully.
Usually.
Something your average homeowner doesn't have.
That's good though. It's a thin wall too. It's just about perfect. That's goody. That was goody, I guess. I've been known to produce a herc or two in my day.
Many types. Very good.
Yeah, that should work. And that just goes like this.
Yeah. So good. There you go. I'm gonna hold that light over here.
Oh, shit, my hair, bud. We got power steering hooked up on the rig here, boys. Holy fuck. Holy fucking shit. Now we can fucking shove it outside and fucking be able to steer it into its final resting place. You know what I mean? Buddy? Is there any way that you can try to lift up on this? Remember how we were lifted up on it? Like I just can't. What?
I'm not very strong.
Oh, you just don't need to lift it much. Just get the weight off it, right? A little more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was perfect. Okay. Oh no, is that too perfect? Oh no. No.
You have personal problems?
That was too perfect, buddy. Oh, I think I was able to just maneuver it a tiny bit. Oh, you quit?
Can you just stick them right here? Make it easy?
Where are we sticking them? Should last a day or two outside in the fucking wilderness, unbeknownst.
Anyway.
Well, let's just piss all type of coolants out all over the place, boys. Shall we? Okay, we remember there's no brakes and we gotta stop.
Oh, this thing's running.
She's running mint.
Yeah. It's an oldie. Sure once I figured out how to drive it. Yeah, I'm not tall enough to help with this.
F***ington Peter Schmidt, you know? Well, I'll just drain it into clean buckets and reuse it. If I put water in it, then it's all f***ed, right? Now I gotta deal with a bunch of coolant.
Summertime, water will matter.
Oh yeah, summer is out. Yeah, it's funny that, eh?
Hey, you got a bucket?
I'm like a little Dutch boy. I got my finger in the dike, boys.
I don't need to get a fitted formed hose like that. I can just use a hunk of hose I got, no? Yeah. Holy f, there's not a step there. That was interesting. If that was a straight piece or had some hose clamps, we'd be laughing.
Yeah, we'll go rob them off something.
Oh, you go out there in the cold and get them. I'll wait here. What do you mean? You made me fucking puke fucking driving all the way to fucking...
You almost killed me yesterday.
Bull fucking shit.
Almost died.
This guy is just
almost fucking
fucking
Got a ratchet?
absolutely fucking dumb as fuck.
almost unalive.
Like almost the dumbest fucking motherfucker I've ever heard in my life. What am I looking for?
Give me a ratchet.
For what? For what? For what? What? Off my wife's car? You have 5/16?
Another steel couple, right? It's not a big one.
For fuck's sakes.
Make sure you use Ford parts.
Yeah, we want to do it again tomorrow.
No pressure yet, no tears either.
Maybe we yank the bucket off the front of that thing today?
Oh, might as well pull it right in the f***ing shop and, you know, and then we can just cut that cocksucker
Make the
off.
marks for the
Yeah, we'll cut that bucket
the arms
right
and
off,
shit?
weld that thing on there, and, you know, angle grinder those things off, and then we'll just put it on into the bucket, weld them on there. Done. Get her the f*** out of here. I gotta check to make sure I got oil for this.
There she is. There.
Woo!
What a fucking gem.
Brute force and ignorance to the wind. That's good stuff. Right there. The other side's looking pretty good.
You're looking at it good on it though?
I got only 2 good eyes.
That's it?
Yeah, third eye's flying.
And in the center of this fucker, in the center here, you can take measures of hand here. Check out how that one look.
Pretty good. I mean, it's not terrible. I don't hate it. Not mad at it.
Is it offensive?
No, no.
A little offended?
You stand back and look at it. You gotta deal with it, not me.
Oh, I don't.
Uh-oh. Can you see how straight that is?
Yeah, that looks
It's straight into the light.
practice for the summertime. There it goes.
There you go, there you go, stuff.
That's custom as f.
Inwood custom.
Not gonna work, but custom either way. You know what I mean? So weld a couple tabs. Weld a couple tabs. Done.
Weld the fender.
Where's the fender? That one there. I'll just bend a little fucking kinkapini in that,
Kink in it.
and just weld it on
Weld
the
it
back.
right on the side.
There.
Yeah, that's probably right too.
No, it got hard.
Back hurts.
Oh,
Got hard.
you want me to rub right at the very bottom in the middle?
Oh, that'd be sweet. All right.
Okay, man.
Good luck.
Yes, sir. Smoke cigarettes.
Hey, give me a call.
Smoke, thank you. Preheat, post-heat. Post-heat. Oh, shoot. I wouldn't go fucking full blast into a pile of rock or anything, but
Abandoned topsoil. Got to get it pushed around.
oh, look at it shoots, boys. Freaking rights. Custom as fuck. Decent. Only minor chooch. Only minor choochification. No big deal. No big deal. Okay. Right on, man. Have a good one.